Hey, I'm Destry Musgrove with Grimeaway Autoworks, located right here in Ada, Oklahoma. We're an official Revivify training center and an elite Revivify applicator shop. And today I wanted to demonstrate the Craig's waterless wash on bugs. This is my personal 2025 Chevy Black Widow. We just got back from a trip from Mexico, and as you can see, it's just covered in bugs, bug splatter, the whole thing. And so the first thing you want to do with your Craig's waterless wash, right, is make sure the product fill line is filled up to this red line right here. With concentrate, you fill the rest with water. And if you got a kit from me, then you should already have a bottle like this that's already ready to use, preset, but you should also get a bottle of concentrate, so you can just refill your bottles. And if you don't have a bottle of concentrate, if you're a Revivify client, you can just bring your spray bottle up here when it gets empty and we will refill it for you. So first thing you're going to want to do is shake the bottle, make sure it's good and mixed. Take your microfiber towel. I like to divide mine up into a square of fours. Just take it, fold it over again, right? And then you're just going to mist your microfiber towel. Make sure it's good and lubricated. And then you're going to pre-spray your panel. Bugs, I like to pre-spray the bugs. And you can use a glass cleaner also, but you're gonna pre-spray the bugs. That does a couple of things. One, it loosens the bugs up. If they get hardened, less chance of scratching your panel. And then you're simply just gonna wipe, just lightly. If you got Revivify on your vehicle, it doesn't take much. Those bugs just come right off. Like I said, you don't want to put a lot of pressure. Don't put a lot of pressure on there. If the bug's stuck, just let it set for a couple minutes and it'll wipe off, but typically they just wipe smooth off. But the longer you let the bug set on here, the harder they will be to remove. And it may be something where you need to actually go to the car wash or take your pressure washer and just kind of dislodge them, especially if they're up here in like the cracks and whatnot. But what I'm going to do with mine is, after I get the majority of the bugs off of here, right, I'm going to take a steamer and I'm going to steam all the crevices, so I'm not like digging down into the panel, which could, you know, introduce scratching. I don't want to do that. I don't want to scratch my panel. Even though the Revivify, that's what it's designed for, is if you accidentally get a little too aggressive and you introduce some scratching, you know, if you've got Revivify, then you just heat it up and melt those scratches away. But at the same time, we don't want to introduce scratching if we can keep from it, you know. You can see the majority of these bugs just wipe off. Now this truck has 3 layers of Revivify Carbon X on it, and so I'm getting impact resistance, PPF type performance. I just drove this truck 1,600 miles on the interstate, and as you can see, I don't have any rock chips. I don't got a lot of bugs, but I don't have any rot chips, which is pretty amazing. Okay. So once you get your panel wiped down, you're just going to flip your towel over to the dry side, or you can even get you a second towel that's dry. But remember, we folded it in four, so I've got a dry side here, and I'm just going to go over it with the dry microfiber. And just kind of buff it off. These bugs, they've actually been sitting there. The place we went to in Mexico, they didn't have any car washes. And I left my waterless wash kit back here at the shop, so I didn't have anything to wipe these bugs off. They've literally been sitting here baking in the desert for over a week. So they're kind of hardened, they're not etched, but they are stuck. The faster you get them, the easier they are to remove. So I've got to put a little bit more effort into getting them off of my truck. But it's nothing like if I didn't have a coating. If I didn't have a coating, it would be not fun at all. This is not going to hurt the coating either. Revivify, the temperature rating for Revivify, like, it performs its magic under heat. It's heat-induced self-healing, and so heat is not going to hurt this coating. I went a little overboard, you know, but even the exhaust tips on this truck is coated. It's got a heat rating of 900 degrees Fahrenheit. So this coating will withstand a tremendous amount of heat. You can see this little steam, these bugs are coming out. There's a couple in there that's just really embedded. I'll use a little tool, press that one in. Alright, so got a lot of this wiped down. This front end was horrible. And so one thing to keep in mind, if you have bugs like as bad as I did, and if you can't get to a car wash to kind of knock them off, and you're using the waterless wash or the spray weight glass cleaner, is just keep in mind that after you go over and remove the majority of the bugs, a lot of them are going to be stuck in your microfiber towel, the shell of these bugs. And so once you get the shells in there, you could introduce scratching if you continue to use this towel. So what we're going to do is we're going to transition to a fresh microfiber towel. And then also we're going to use a little vent brush to try to just, because I've got some bugs lodged in some of the creases and stuff. We're just going to use that to kind of help dislodge them. But you can get these vent brushes on Amazon fairly cheap, about a whole pack of them. But just keep in mind, you know, keep in mind if you use metal or anything else, you're going to scratch that. That'll be pretty obvious. But I try to stick with plastic and then with the real soft tip, you know, on the end, and you should be fine. For instance, I've got this one here. He's stubborn. See that? I'm gonna use my steamer, kind of dislodging, then I'm gonna just kind of gently give him a push down. Boom, gone. And there's still a little bit left up in there, so I'm gonna take the soft end. Just kind of try to work that loose in there. About as good as I'm going to get, but that's okay. It's literally just stuck between the plastics, and it's not going to etch anything. But next time I go to the car wash, I'll hit that with the car wash, and that should go ahead and finish dislodging. But Another trick is you can also take your brush, right? Put your microfiber towel over your brush, and now you've got a little bit more protection. You know, things, and it's perfect for getting in like these real tight crevices, but it doesn't take a lot of pressure. I'm gonna say it again. You can scratch paint with a microfiber, especially if it's dry, or if you put too much pressure on it. You want to let the coating do most of the work, and or the waterless wash treatment, or whatever, the soap that you're using, you know, let it do the majority of the heavy lifting, and let the coating do its job in protection. And so if you need to assist a little bit with a brush or microfiber towel, it's very minimal. I'm telling you, it's not much at all. Talking about, you know, just maintenance. When you get done off your trip, you're going to get the bugs off. If you let them sit there, I always say this: if you leave something on your paint that can etch the paint, it will also etch the coating if it's left long enough. So you've got to take care of your coating. And bugs are super acidic. Don't let them sit and bake and bake and bake and just stay for weeks or months at a time, because they will eventually etch through the coating, and then we're going to be doing some correction, recoating your car, and that's not going to be covered under any kind of guarantee or warranty, because that's owner neglect, and so you've got to get it off of there.